I will be taking a look at a floral design case for the iPhone X. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. Today I have the Switcheasy Fleur case. They make this for various iPhone models, and we will take a look at the iPhone X. This was sent out to me by the company for review. They come in 3 different colors: black, rose pink, and white. You can pick them up online for $25. The link is in the description below. Let's take a look at the cases. These cases have a beautiful 3D floral design. I have the rose pink and white. Some of the features are that it provides lens protection, AeroTech, which provides a drop protection with the lightest feel, a 3D floral design, anti-scratch, and grip friendly. They make them for the iPhone X, 7, and 8. It has a very light feel to it. The floral pattern looks great. The volume buttons are covered on the side here. Here are the cutouts for the speaker and power. And the side button is exposed, but it's recessed. It has a rubber feel, and inside has a transparent backing. You can see the floral pattern has a nice 3D look. And the Switcheasy logo on the side. Let's see how it looks on the phone. Installation is simple and easy. It just snaps right in. It has a nice, solid feel to it. Here's a side view, the bottom, the other side, and the top. The bevel has a slight raise to it so it can protect the screen. You can see the black color of the phone because of the transparent back. It's a very unique look. Now let's see how it looks on the white one. The white looks really good too. It just pops out. Here's the view of the side, the bottom, speaker cutouts and power, and the other side, and the top. Both colors look great. The Switcheasy Fleur case. A beautiful, unique floral design. You will definitely stand out with this case. It has an elegant look without compromising the protection for your phone. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.